The origins of Lahore are shrouded in antiquity. Positioned on the main trade and invasion routes to South Asia, Lahore has been ruled and plundered by a number of dynasties and hordes. However, it touched the zenith of its glory during the Mughal rule from 1524 to 1752. The Mughals, who were famous as builders, gave Lahore some of its finest architectural monuments and thus the wonder that it exudes. As Akbar's capital for 14 years, from 1584 to 1598, this city was enclosed within a red brick wall boasting 13 unique gates, further adding to its mystery. Coming from the grandiose concept of art, life and defense, the gates of the walled city of Lahore, rather than merely sculpting an entrance to the rich city, offered a heightened physical experience. A spirit of life, a certain zeal, seems to have enveloped these gates over centuries, a whole universe around them. Today, the walled city has turned into a marketplace with the gates giving way to the old bazaars of Lahore. The life that is now manifested around these gates does not represent the purpose and culture surrounding them originally. However, each of these gates has evolved a unique character for itself over time. The Bhati Gate is located on the western wall of the old city. It is named after the ancient Rajput tribe of Bhatis, who were settled here by the efforts of Malik Ayaz, the Ghaznavid governor. Today, the area inside the gate is well known throughout the city for its food and bazaar. Exclusive to the ambiance of this gate are the locals that are found preparing and smoking the hookah. Right outside of Bhati Gate is the Data Darbar, the mausoleum of the Sufi saint Ali Hajweri. The Lohari Gate, built 1,000 years ago, originally by Mahmud Ghaznavi, was restored by the Mughals and later Sikhs. In antiquity, Ranjit Singh would use this gate to enter Lahore. Today, however, it is surrounded by shops. It is also recognized for its brilliant architecture. This gate was named Lohari after Lohars, who planted their workshops just outside it.
लोहारी गेट अपने नाम के एतबार से, जैसे आपको पता है कि यहाँ पर लोहे का काम जो है वो हुआ करता था। तकरीबन 100 साल पहले की बात है। उस वक्त की तस्वीरें हमारे पास आज तस्वीरें हैं। हमारा एक साथी, उनके पास तस्वीरें थी बुक में। वहाँ उस वक्त भी ताले और चाबी का काम होता था, लोहे का काम। उसमें लोहे के काम से मुराद यहाँ पर जो है वो ताले का काम स्पेसिफिक शुरू से होता आ रहा है। तो आज तक वो काम जो है वो चल रहा है। इस वजह से इसका नाम लोहारी गेट पड़ गया।
This particular gate is believed to have retained its original character. Some of these gates have not survived, but interestingly, the bygone presence of these grand structures in the areas where they once thrived continues to enliven the city of Lahore. The Taksali Gate, located on the northwestern edge of the walled city, also known as the Taksal or Royal Mint, was built during the reign of the Mughals. Inside the gate is the Jamia Masjid Taksali Gate, which was built by the famous builder of the Badshahi Mosque, Abdullah Khan. The tilework, or kashikari, that decorates the mosque indicates that it was constructed somewhere around the early Aurangzeb era.
लाहौर का शहर 12 दरवाज़ों के अंदर मुहित है, जबकि 13वां दरवाज़ा जिसे मोरी दरवाज़ा कहा जाता है उसको इतनी सिग्निफिकेंस हासिल नहीं है। इसके मुख्तलिफ दरवाज़े मुख्तलिफ नामों पर हैं, जैसे कश्मीरी दरवाज़ा, दिल्ली दरवाज़ा, अकबरी गेट जिसे आम पब्लिक मस्ती गेट के नाम से जानती है। और ये करप्शन है वर्ड मस्जिद की। अकबरी गेट अकबर के दौर में बनाया गया था और अकबर के नाम पर इसको अकबरी गेट कहा जाता है। उसके बाद जब बाहर एक मस्जिद तामीर की गई जो मरियम ज़मानी ने तामीर करवाई थी, उसकी वजह से इसको मस्जिदी गेट का टाइटल मिला। लेकिन जैसा कि जानते हैं कि पंजाब का एरिया है और यहाँ पे पंजाबी ज़ुबान इंतहाई फ्लुएंटली बोली जाती है, इसी वजह से लफ्ज़ मस्जिद बिगड़ते बिगड़ते मसीती हो गया और आज के दौर में इस मसीती को मस्ती गेट के नाम से याद किया जाता है। लाहौर के मुख्तलिफ दरवाज़े हैं जिनमें मुख्तलिफ कल्चर है और वो कल्चर आज भी ज़िंदा है। लाहौर का पुराना ट्रेडिशन, पुरानी हवेलियाँ, झरोके जो कि अब गहना रहे हैं और लोग उनको आहिस्ता आहिस्ता सेल करके या डिमोलिश करके नए तरीके से।
Lahore is a city of unrivaled charm. With buildings and structures from the centuries-long rule of the Mughal dynasty, the city was carefully protected by mammoth walls that were punctuated with 13 passageways. These passages were guarded by gates, each with a distinct purpose and architectural personality. Common to all gates was the larger-than-life quality that continues to tell their tale even today. The walled city changed over time, grew, or even shrunk, depending on invasions, droughts, and famines in the countryside. The city reveals its design as an irregular trapezium shape consisting of 460 acres of land. It has a circumference of 3 miles perforated with 13 openings. The Roshnai Gate, or the Gate of Light. This gate is between the Royal Mosque and the fort. Being the principal entrance from the fort to the city, it was most frequented by the courtiers, royal servants, and their retinues. The houses and streets around the gate were profusely lit up at night. Hence it was called the Gate of Light or the Gate of Splendor. The Kashmiri Gate, so called because it faces north towards Kashmir. There is also a big beautiful college for girls located here. The Khizri Gate. At the time when the river flowed by the city walls, this gate provided access to the ferry. The gate was therefore named Khizri, after the name of Khizr Ilyas, the patron saint of running waters and streams, and the discoverer of the water of immortality. This gate is also known as the Sherawala Gate, or the Gate of the Lions. It was made by Maharaja Ranjit Singh. After its completion, Singh placed 2 live lions or shers in cages at the gate as a symbolic gesture to warn any invader. Akbari and Masti gates were unable to endure the test of time, but their spirit survives.
मेरी एज है 71 ईयर, तो 47 का था मैं तो 7 ईयर्स ओल्ड, ठीक है। उससे पहले जो बड़ों से बातें सुनी हैं और जो देखी हैं, ये शॉर्टकट हो गया। हमने यहाँ गेट नहीं देखा, मोती दरवाजे का गेट, दिल्ली गेट, मस्ती गेट, शेरावाला गेट, यकी गेट, भाटी गेट, ये अभी तक कायम है। यहाँ पे गेट था लेकिन आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ख़त्म होता गया। तो लोहे के दरवाजे जो लगे हुए थे वक्त के हिसाब से डिमांड थी, जो लोकेशन और जो पॉपुलेशन जो बढ़ी है उसके हिसाब से वो हटता गया।
The Delhi Gate was once the main and only road from Lahore to Delhi. It was built during the Mughal era. This gate, being a prominent one, witnessed a lot of incidents during the riots of independence. However, today the gate has been renovated and exists in its former glory. Many are historical places such as Shahi Hammam, Masjid Wazir Khan, and a number of old Havelis are situated inside this gate. The Akbari Gate, named after Mughal Emperor Akbar, who built the town and fort. Close to this gate, the emperor also founded a market named after him, called Akbari Mandi. The Masti Gate is positioned just behind the Lahore fort. Its actual name is Masjidi Gate. As further down the street is located one of the city's oldest mosques, the Mosque of Maryam Zamani Begum, named after the mother of Jahangir Maryam Zamani. Only a little trace of this gate in its renovated form can still be seen among the wholesale shoe sellers who now dominate the area. Wazir Khan Mosque. The Wazir Khan Mosque is situated in a thickly populated but culturally vibrant locality in the heart of the walled city. It stands out as one of the two most spacious mosques in Lahore, the other being the Badshahi Masjid. The builder of this mosque was the Chiniot-born Hakim Alimuddin Ansari, who is known in history as Nawab Wazir Khan, a title bestowed upon him by Emperor Shah Jahan. The most remarkable among his contributions to Mughal architecture was the Wazir Khan Mosque, which reflects a blend of Persian and Indian styles of architecture. Its foundation stone was laid by the Nawab in AD 1634, close to the tomb of Sayyid Muhammad Ishaq bin Shahryar, better known as Hazrat Miran Badshah. The construction of the mosque was completed in 1635. Today, only some of these historic gates stand devoid of their architectural character and purposely without their walls. But the life that they have nurtured over the years continues the legacy of this precious city in its own eccentric way. These exquisite gates, like every other nook and corner of this majestic city, appear as if with a magical past, demanding to be remembered.